Hey y'all, so I'm coming to you today with a review. Hey y'all, coming to you guys today with a... Nope, don't do that. Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm coming to you with a... What do you want to call this? A style box haul from none other than my good friends over at Johnny Bigg. Look, like, this bigger than my head, y'all. Look at this box. Like, it can't even fit in the frame. Like, that's the whole box right there. Can y'all see? Johnny Bigg. Look at that. So this is a big ass box from Johnny Bigg, pun intended. So let's go ahead and open it up and let's go ahead and go through it and see what goodies are in here. Now, prerequisite, just to let you guys know, or just to preference this, I already know what's in here because I ordered it. But usually when I do these things, I don't know what's in the box. A brand will just send me a random box. But this one I actually got to pick every item in here. But I ordered it, I don't remember when I ordered it, but I don't remember what's in it. That's the point. I don't remember when I ordered it though, but I don't remember what's in it. So let's go ahead and go through it and see what is in the box. Ta-da! That's what I wanted to do. All right, let's talk about what's in here. So we have a V-neck, an essential V-neck. Well, I got two of those. We have some shorts. We have a suit jacket. Ooh! We have shorts, which are my favorite. Shorts are my favorite. Okay. Then we have a striped shirt and a long tee and some pineapple socks. So let's go ahead and get into the review. I think I'm actually going to do this like a real haul. So I'm going to try all of these items on for you guys. Okay? So let's get into that. So I got a 3X, guys. I normally wear a 2X. Ooh. 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 Do y'all see this? Oh, I'm finna be flying outside outfit. I'm finna be flying. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Like, do y'all see that? Do y'all? I don't think y'all see me. I don't think y'all see me. I don't think y'all see me. Okay? Okay. You see how I'm stepping? This is a 3X, like I said. I normally wear a 2X, but when I saw the size chart, it said go a size up, and that's exactly what I did. So, like, this is bomb. I'm feeling this. If you couldn't tell from my excitement, I'm feeling this. I like this. All right, let's go ahead and try this on. And I bought these because I don't have a lot of these. And I need more of them, but I don't have as many. Oh, 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 so far everything is fitting me perfectly like I like it. It's like a little snug, but a lot of room everywhere. I like it. I like this. Oh, I like this, y'all. Like, I like this. It's a cream colored. It's just a basic tee, but even in basic things, big and tall men, we have such a difficult time finding basics like long tees. Look at this. For my taller guys, this would have been perfect for you. It's a little long for me, but not like extremely long. But if you were a taller guy, let me show you how much more you could have got out of this. And my tall guys, you know this struggle. You know exactly what this means. This would have been enough room for you. So, me, I'm feeling this too. The quality, the feel. Ooh. Oh, and not to mention that that tee was really long. So if you carry your weight in the belly area, you will definitely have a little room. Oh, this is how you need a t-shirt to fit, bro. Do y'all see this? Come on. Listen, this basic tee is everything I need in my life. You know why? because I'm not a basics person. Like, the reason why this excites me is because it has prints, it has patterns. But this excites me because I never have any basic things. So anytime I want to go really loud on my shoes or loud on my pants, I never have anything basic up here. So most of the time I just end up being loud, which is not a problem because I'm loud and I don't give a fuck. But sometimes I do want to style differently, you know, just to show some versatility in my style. But this, I like. Okay, these are a bit tight. Yeah, these don't fit. These don't fit. Yeah, these don't fit. But this is a 38. However, I know exactly what I did wrong. I didn't read the size chart for the pants, and I got my actual size in pants. I didn't go up a size. So I'm a 38-40, so I should have gotten a 42 or 44 in these, and I did not because the other pants they sent me fit. But when I selected too small. And the 40 fits. And the 40 fits. Oh my God, this fits perfectly. This fits. Ooh. Ooh. Let me put this fit together for y'all. Let me put this fit together. We'll put this fit together right quick. Woo. Tell me I ain't looking fly. You can't even cop this nowhere in the stores. Where we going? Where we going for lunch? I'm going just like this. What's it? This right here. Clearly I'm feeling this. If y'all can feel the energy I'm permeating, this is a look. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this right? This is a look. And when I tell you this got stretch out this world, this right here is my swag. They won't focus, but Johnny Bigg pineapple socks. So, for the last and final thing, I got myself a suit jacket. So if you guys know me, this year I'm trying to get into suits. So I'm building my suit collection. So this suit, I'm excited to try it on because suits are always a thing that don't work well for me. So far I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 8 things. So far only one thing doesn't fit. So I hope this fits. Because anybody who understands online shopping knows that if you buy 8 things and one thing don't fit, you won. Oh my God, it's a whole suit. I totally forgot I bought a whole suit. Oh, this is everything. Oh my God. This suit is everything. These pants, they need to be hemmed, but they still different from any other suit. Ooh. Okay, the suit jacket seems to be a bit big. I got a 50. It does seem to be a bit big, but nothing I can't get taken in by my tailor. This is nice. Yeah, I need a little room right here taken in, but this suit gonna be fire on the gram. I got a suit. I got a whole suit. You know what? I am thoroughly impressed by everything I got today. Like, these clothes make me feel Like, there is hope for the big and tall community. And for that, Johnny Bigg, I have to salute you for that. Johnny Bigg, we out.